What's up, YouTube? So something crazy just happened. Hope y'all stay tuned to find out what it is. Boom! So, I don't know if y'all know, but I didn't have a camera. I was using everybody else in the shop's camera to record my my YouTube videos. So, I finally just went out and bought one of my own. Everybody in the shop has been telling me to do it, so I was like, F it, you know? So I'm doing the unbox right now, so y'all be the first ones. This is the first time I'm opening the box, so y'all be the first ones to see. So the Canon 80D. We got the, don't know what the heck that is. We got the manual, you know the basic instruction manual. I guess another manual. That thing, not important. Okay. The lens. The charger. The strap. Bang, bang. Oh, crap. The battery. And then the camera. It's hard to do this with one hand, but the camera itself. Okay. Yes. Finally got a camera for myself. Nice. So, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna continue the video with this camera. Stay tuned, y'all. Woo! Okay. This is what I'm talking about. The video looks way more clear. Ooh. Yeah, but yeah. So for this intro, I'm gonna be doing a mid-ball fade on Suave Blends. His Instagram will be in the video. It's gonna be in the when I'm turning him around in the chair. So yeah, but yeah, this lighting is impeccable. Whew. But yeah, thanks for watching my intro. It's first of many. I mean, I've done plenty of intros before, but not with my own camera. So hope you guys enjoy the video and take care. What's up, YouTube? Howdy. So today I'm gonna be doing a mid fade. I'm doing it on my good friend Suave Blends, and he's also a barber. So check out his page. His thing will be at the bottom of the left. So on this part, I have my comb, and I'm basically just pushing his hair up, so I won't cut any of the curls on top. It's kind of sectioned well around the head, so just make sure that if you do a cut like this and you ask your client, do you want me to take any off the top, or you want me to cut the curls, or you want to keep the curls? If they say yes, just do this. Just comb the hair and have your clips all around the head. It's easy and simple. So for this next step, I have my my cordless wall detailers. I usually use these to do the bald lines. They work pretty good. They cut the hair, like they cut through chunks of hair and bulks of hair easily. So if you guys want some good balding clippers, and I mean, I feel like these would do good for y'all. But make sure that this bald line is straight. I'm doing a mid fade, like I said in the beginning. I start from the temple, on the box on the side, on the bottom of that, and I just I'm kind of arching it down in the back, so I don't want to go really high. So it's kind of like a mid drop fade. this step, I have my 1.5 guard, and I'm taking off the bulk, so it'd be easier for me to see where my guidelines are at. I'm sorry, I'm eating right now. But sorry if I sound weird, but just make sure that it's about like kind of not high, because I kind of want to keep a shape to it. You know what I'm saying? So I do it about like kind of at the top. I'm sorry, it's a little blurry right here. I kind of got out of focus, but make sure it's about like, I say about like 1.5 inches. So that way, when you shape it up with the clipper comb, it'll just be a good little box, if you know what I'm saying. So on this part, I have my clipper over comb, or clipper comb. The way that I do it is I put the comb against the scalp, and I just go straight up, and the hairs that are sticking out, that's the hair that you want to cut. Make sure it's at a 90-degree angle. You don't want to dig into the person's head, because you could pat somebody, and you don't want that. But I'm gonna tell y'all now that clipper over comb is effective, and if you get that down, your haircuts will go so much faster. So for this next step, we're doing an open lever with my wall seniors, well, cordless wall seniors. So what I'm doing is I'm doing it about like 1/2 inch to 1 inch, probably kind of closer to 1 inch, about like 1 inch, because I'm doing it higher on the sides, and I'm dipping it lower, so basically so we can give it that little, that drop to the end, to the drop to the back of the head. Sorry, but yeah, do it about like 1 inch to 1/2 inch. It depends on how long the head is. But yeah, make sure that the guideline is straight, and yeah. So to take out that bottom line, I have my closed lever, and I'm just gonna flick out to that bottom line. Basically what I do, if most of y'all know, watch my other YouTube videos, I play with the lever a lot. So I go close, halfway, open, close, halfway, open. Just know that because we made that first guideline open, you shouldn't go past that open. You know what I'm saying? You should not go past that line at all, because basically what you want to do, you want to blend into that open lever. So close, halfway, open, close, halfway, open. Play with it a lot. As longer and longer you cut, you get the feel of it, and you understand which lever would do what, if you know what I'm saying. So like I said, close, halfway, open. Play with it and use the corners a lot. So for this, it's the 1 guard. We're doing about 1/2 inch. Make sure that the guideline is straight. And shout out for Finally Fresh for these 1 guards. They sent me a care package, and I actually like these 1 guards a lot. The Instagram will be at the bottom right. So yeah, if y'all don't know, just check them out. They have a lot of cool stuff. Like they have straight razors, guards, you name it. So yeah, make sure you check them out. So on to the next, we have our 0 guard. What I'm doing is I'm doing about halfway. I'm doing that because I want to see how my clipper would react to his hair. And sometimes halfway it'll lighten up a lot. Sometimes it wouldn't. You just got to see like which lever would do what. You know what I'm saying? Because all hair isn't the same. You know, some hair is light, some hair is dark, some hair is thick, some hair is thin. You just got to see how you got to adjust to adjust to the hair texture, and you just gotta know which lever will do what, you know. But I do halfway, then close, then open. So halfway, close, then open. So for here, you see how there's a dark line right there, or a dark spot? I have my clipper comb, and what I'm doing is I'm going up with it. I'm not going from the side. I'm going up with it just to see. You see how the hair is sticking out? That's what you want to cut, because you can, like I said, you push it against the scalp, and then you just go straight up, and you see the hair that's sticking out. That's the hair that you cut. Make sure it's at 90-degree angle. Just letting y'all know, 90-degree angle. So right here, I have my thinning shears. Back to the barber school days, you know, when you're trying to get off that bulk. But as you can see right here, I'm using the corner of my comb, and I'm using the tip of my thinning shears just to get that little dark spot. You know, it's always good to take out those spots. Oh, look, my apprentice right there. He sees me doing my thing. His Instagram will be at the bottom right. But for this part, you know, it's just nothing simple. I mean, nothing too crazy. I'm just clipping up the hair so I can see his hairline. Oh, by the way, this is the 1.5 guard, and I'm going against the grain, you know, just to get those, just to, you know, lighten up the hairline. So I have hairspray, and I'm just putting it on the hairline so the hair would stick, you know, because we all know that we hate, you know, when hair moves. So this way it'll keep it in its place. So yeah. So right here, I'm starting from the middle, and I'm working my way to the left, and then I'm going to the right. Like I told numerous of times in all my videos, it's best to start in the middle and then working your way to the side, so that way when you do that first lineup in the middle, you get that base, and everything from the left to the right side could connect to the middle, so that way it'll make your hairline straighter. Because trust me, I've done it from the side and to the other side, and it didn't match up. So it's easy and it's best way to start from the middle and then work your way to the sides, you know, so that way it'll just all meet up. So for this, we're using the enhancements. As you can tell, his hairline is still pretty crispy, but just that paint, oh man, it gives it that extra, you know, it just makes the haircut look so much cleaner. People get on me for using paint, or people get on others for using paint, but come on, really, it's 2019. The barbering industry is getting bigger. Everybody uses paint. But just follow your hairline, and the paint will come out much crispy and straight, And if y'all don't use it, I wouldn't say to use it, but just try it out. Just try it out and see how you guys like it. So this video is about wrapped up. I thank you guys a lot. Look at my face. Anyways, I do thank you guys a lot for watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. But if you guys can, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube. And also, you guys can give me a follow on Instagram. My Instagram will be at the end of the video. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Enjoy.